just give it a pour. Just like that. Ooh, that is hot, baby. It's a little over 320 degrees. So you just kind of watch how I do it.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do a little flip here like that. I'm actually going to put the little flip torch. There we go. Go ahead and go around the corner there. Might as well.
Good. I used to make candy.
You did?
Just not this
Yeah.
time.
Give it a little flip here. So we're actually going to make cotton candy flavor. It's actually one of our more popular flavors. It is pink and blue, but
Candy in the system.
I eat lots of candy. That's the problem here.
Man, that's awesome.
I like that. I like that. Let's cut off a little bit here. So we're going to add a little bit of color to this first piece here. A little bit of blue here. Going to add just a little bit of color there. I'm just going to fold that in here a little bit.
Oh, and that's all the amount of coloring you have to put
That's
in?
all the color. Yeah. Now, depending on what color we're doing. If we're doing red, we put a little bit more. Actually, we just did those Dodger ones, so we had to put quite a bit more darker blue. But for this one, we're going to do a kind of a light blue and a light pink. So it doesn't take much. No flavor yet. This is just the color only. Yeah, it doesn't take much. You just fold it all in and all right. So we got the blue all mixed in. Now we're going to add a little pink to it. Of course, cotton candy is usually blue or pink, so we're going to add a little of those colors. All right, so there's our pink all mixed in. This is cotton candy. We're going to add about a third of an ounce.
Like we some cotton candy.
Like that. Smell this here in just a minute. Now spell
I
it.
smell it.
The C.
But smell good.
You spell yours for the cake. All right, I'm going to throw it on the hook up here. And take it up here and put it up on the hook.
Oh yeah.
And this is how we're going to turn it white. And then at some point, if you need to move, you can move to another location too. Get you from there and come out. Now what I do is I pull it out, I then take it halfway and I throw it up there.
Yeah,
And I'll be right here with you. So
Take deep.
we don't want it hitting the floor. That's the worst thing. We don't want that. So
Oh yeah. That looks pretty.
all right, so we're going to put it on the table here. So these are going to be the stripes. Got a blue and a pink stripe here. Put that right on top here. Just blue right on that side.
Finally get to see how this is done.
So we got pink on that side.
Ooh, you got him by the neck.
Got blue on that side to make a little
You got him by the neck.
bowling pin. A little baseball bat there for
Ooh, that's
a
pretty.
serious fan. And if I had 5 stripes, I'd give you my guitar riff. Not very effective with that
Oh
thing.
yeah.
That we have made a candy cane. Give it a little cut here. Now this machine right here is about 95 to 100 years old. We've been using this since 1933. You don't have to push down a lot, just a little nut makes enough.
Oh, we're just a little for you.
We don't want you to break it off or anything, so. And then she's gonna pick it up.
Yeah.
You probably see
Ooh,
that
and it got hard like that?
Yep. Yeah, you just take it out
But I'll
and
push
lay
it
it down.
Dang.
Oh my god.
Give me a shot. It's warm.
That is still warm. That is the best way.
Oh God. Turn your head.
No, no.
It's coming on.
Oh God. It's so good warm.